क्या हम हर एपिसोड में एक नई सेलिब्रिटी को देखते हैं जो महिला होगी, या फिर कोई खास कारण रहा है जो आपकी तरफ से जो कंगना पहले एपिसोड में है?
I think very rightly said by Kangna कि कहीं ना कहीं this shows exactly everything that she spoke कि what we're trying to do is we're trying to inspire the youth and the parents कि there needs to be a good relationship between both of them जहाँ पर सारे बच्चों का हक है कि अपने पेरेंट्स से ये सारी बातें डिस्कस कर सकें और एक पेरेंट्स का फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि वो एक ऐसा रिलेशनशिप बनाए अपने बच्चों के साथ कि उन्हें एक कंफर्ट लेवल हो कि वो चुप ना रहें ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स के बारे में और अपने पेरेंट्स से चीज़ें डिस्कस करें. And I think बहुत appropriate है to have Kangna in our first episode to kick off the show क्योंकि ये I think on a personal front also she's been a very empowering woman. From everything that she's done, she comes from a small town, she's not from the industry, and she's made a very good mark for herself and a very good place for herself in the industry. And even from the from all the roles that she's played, from Tanu Waits Mannu to Rajo to now Queen. Yeah, so like I was saying, so it's very appropriate to have her in our first episode. और हमारी कोशिश यही है कि हम हर एपिसोड के साथ from every walk of life we try to get an empowering lady like this जो कहीं ना कहीं यूथ पर एक इम्पैक्ट छोड़ेंगी, उनको इंस्पायर करेंगी कि चुप मत रहिए, आवाज़ उठाइए and make some noise and do something about it. Yes. जी हाँ, मैंने उनका एक्चुअली आई सॉ अ प्रोमो कपल ऑफ मंथ्स बैक एंड आई थॉट वाज डैम कूल. मुझे बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा जिस तरह से वो शुरू होता है. शी इज़ क्राइंग एंड यू थिंक कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, बट इट अनवील्स इनटू अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी जहाँ पर शी इज़ आई बिलीव दैट शी इज़ ऑन अ हनीमून एंड शी इज़ कम अलोन एंड शी काइंड ऑफ एक्सप्लोर्स हरसेल्फ and her own persona. So very excited for the film. I'm really looking forward to seeing it. जी हाँ, I think मेरी खुशनसीबी होगी कि मुझे इतनी बेहतरीन एक्ट्रेस के साथ अगर काम करने का मौका मिलेगा. जी जी जी. Sorry, can you be a little louder? I don't quite agree with that. I believe कि कहीं ना कहीं even men need to stand up and sort of support women and show their support for women. And it comes very naturally to me to be that for all women possible, because I think some women to realize that there are many men like me who sort of respect women, and it's also an appeal to all men. And I think it kind of makes a change when a man comes and appeals to men. Ke, your value system needs to stop being so disturbed, and you all need to stop looking at women as just an object of desire, and start respecting them, because I truly believe that men are from women.
Also, all right, I will just answer this. I'll add to this something. Well, I feel it's very easy for women to go out there and just talk about their problems and to emphasize on the sort of issues they face in their daily lives. But it's a lot more entertaining when it comes from another perspective. Like my director,